Welcome everyone to Nails by KJ, formerly known as the Pink Side with KJ. In the video, you see me with my old set, okay? Beautiful hawk nails, absolutely gorgeous, of press-on nails. But now I am going to apply my new set, which is spooky nails. So the purpose of this video is to show you all about press-on nails, how to apply press-on nails, and how to get your very own set, your sizing kit, if you are interested in wearing press-on nails. So I have a lot of queens out there. They love wearing press-on nails. They don't like going to the nail shop. So you can get your sizing kit from Nails by KJ. All right, so we're gonna go in with showing you how to apply the press-on nails. Every sizing kit will always come with instructions and everything needed to have a successful set. All right, so there you go. Right there you got some cuticle oils, files, buffers, a wooden stick, and also the glue, as well as the instructions in the sizing kit. Okay, so first you see me going in with, I'm pushing my cuticles back. You're going to do that with that wooden stick. And then you will also receive alcohol pads in your kit as well. This is the glue that will come in your pack. Either one of those, they are both great nail glues for long adhesion. All right, so these nails, I know mine last for a good 2 weeks. It could last longer, but I'd be ready for a new set. So let's go ahead and go in. We're going to start. We're pushing back our cuticles. I'm using a silicone tool that I have personally for myself, but you're going to use that wooden stick that's inside the kit. And then let's see what else. All right, so next we're going in with the buffer. The instruction says the first off, you're going to make sure your hands are clean. All right, and then we're going to go in and push back your cuticles. And then we're going to go in with that buffer that you see you have in your kit, and we're buffing off the shine on that nail. All right, so nail prep is everything, you guys. Whether it be acrylic, poly gel, press-on nails, whatever nail you decide to use, nail prep is the key for the best adhesion, for longevity. And there you go, your alcohol pads in your kit as well. Please clean your nail beds with the alcohol pads. That's going to dehydrate the nail. It's time to choose your style. You can choose from medium coffins, short square, which is that first set. I've already made some kits up. So if you like any color that you see, that is a short almond. And then that is also a medium coffin right there in the different colors. You can choose from these colors. That's a beautiful Christmas color right there in a medium almond. That's a yellow almond. And you can just go in, and that's a short coffin right there with the designs. That's a stiletto. And now it's time for sizing. All right, so in your kit, you're gonna have the nails for each hand, left hand and right hand. You're gonna go through and size your nail. So in this example, we're using a purple iridescent type, and we're gonna go through and see which nail fits best on your finger. So this finger fits perfectly on the index finger from sidewall to sidewall, and that's my right hand, and it's the number 3. So what I'm gonna do on that sizing kit card that KJ has provided, you're gonna write in, you're gonna circle the number that fits your index finger. You're gonna put I on top of the 3, so we'll know that it's an index. And then you're gonna actually write, this is your right hand, okay? So we'll know. And then that's your left hand, all right? So the top is right, the bottom is your left hand, and you know that your index finger is a number 3. So you're sizing it yourself, you're making sure that it's the right fit. So once you get that done, you can actually send me a picture of that index card, so we'll both be on the same page as to what size you wear and the type of nail that you want. Okay, so now we're going in and we're going to actually adhere the nails, put the nails on using the glue. I put some on the nail bed as well as the back of the nail, and then I'm gonna push it all the way back to the cuticle just a little bit. I'm gonna size it first before I press it down, and I'm gonna hold it on that nail at least 30 seconds to a minute. Okay, And that is just as simple as that. Okay? And I'm gonna do all 4 nails the same exact way. I'm gonna apply the glue to the nail bed as well as some glue to the back. Now don't flood it, y'all. Now don't go crazy with the glue. Don't flood the glue because you don't want it all around your nails and on your skin. You're just gonna put a little bit on the back of the nail as well as your nail beds, and then you're going to push it back towards the back of the cuticle. Make sure it is straight and centered to your liking before you give it that final press of 30 seconds to a minute on each nail. So here is just a recap of the sizing kit. You can get it in any color. All you have to do is contact me. You can send me a message via Instagram, Facebook. Let me know what type of nail you want, the color you want, and yeah, and I'll get it for you. And you can size it, and then we'll know what size you wear and everything. So we'll both be on the same page. You're going to send me a picture of the index card that shows that this is your left hand, right hand, the number that you want, and everything. So y'all, that's it. That's the video. I hope y'all enjoyed it, and I hope it makes sense. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me. I'll be happy to help you. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my small business. Bye, y'all.